So today I'm going to teach you how to make a Hello Kitty donut. So what you're going to be needing is a block of foam or whatever you use to make your squishies, a blade or scissors, find a blade easier, paint or puppy paint of your choice. So yeah, a tag, that's optional, sorry for background noises. So a tag and chain or ball chain, and then you just need a Hello Kitty template and this, and then you're also going to want something round to make the middle of the donut with. I'm just going to use this cap, one of these caps. So yes, let's get started. Hey guys, so now what you're going to want to do is take your foam and your Hello Kitty template and place the Hello Kitty template on top of your foam. Then you're going to just want to get something to draw with, or, well, yeah. And then you're just going to want to draw around your template. So you're just going to want a pen or a pencil. So, yeah. Sorry, background noise again. My brother's not listening. Yeah. And my mom's getting mad at him. So, yeah. It's a crazy house right here. Okay, so you're just gonna do what I told you to, and just keep going round until you're finished. So it should look something like this. This is terrible. Yeah. Then you're just gonna want to take your X-Acto blade or whatever you're using and cut it out. So I'll cut this out and I'll see you guys when it's done. Bye. Hey guys, so I've cut out my head right here, and then I've cut out the bow. It looks really terrible. And then what you're going to want to do is just cut out a little circle and stick it in the middle of the bow. Okay, so now I'm going to stick everything together. You can use fabric glue or PVA. I prefer fabric because my fabric is really nice to squish when it's done. So I'm just going to put a blob on the back of this, because I will be puffy painting this. So yes, just going to stick it right there. And then you have the ear right there. And so then I'm going to take this little circle. And I got this from someone. So I will tell you in the next section when I paint everything on. So yeah. Bye guys. Stay tuned for the next section. So I just finished let my Hello Kitty squishy dry. So it looks like this. I already took the middle out. Sorry for background noises, my brother's bouncing his ball. So yeah, I'm gonna make the donut. It's gonna be purple, but then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put yellow drizzle, and it's gonna have, I think, a yellow bow, or I'm gonna see if I have any red puppy paint. I don't think I do that, so I might just do the bow pink. You're also gonna want some brown and white acrylic paint. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix my my acrylic with some white puffy paint. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do mine in a cupcake case. I'm gonna mix it in a cupcake case. So I've just got this Christmas cupcake case right here. I'm gonna move everything out of the way. You're gonna want a paint spreading tool or something. So I've just got this stick right here. So yeah. So first you're just gonna want to put about this much in there. And then you're just gonna put a couple of drops of white in there. So yeah. Now you're just gonna mix it up. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Okay, that didn't really work, so I'm gonna have to put some more white in there. So I squirted like a little bit, so sorry for background noises. Okay, so I'm just gonna put another cupcake piece underneath it. Okay, so you want it to be like a tan color, unless you have tan paint already. I don't, so yeah. I'm gonna keep it at that. So now what you're gonna do is take the bottom and just paint the bottom. So I'm gonna be back. I'll paint this and then I'll be back. So bye guys.